Hello and welcome to your FridayParts YouTube channel. Winter is tough on your machines. Cold temperatures, heavy snow, freezing conditions can put a strain on all your parts, especially your starter motors. So today we're going to be diving into some must-know tips for your starter motors and why choosing an aftermarket option could be the best bet for you. Let's get started. First things first, winter conditions demand more from your starter motor. Extreme cold causes thickened oil, poor battery performance, and they make it harder for your engine to turn over. So how can you prevent issues before they start? So tip number one, we gotta check the battery. A weak battery is one of the most common reasons a starter motor fails to work in cold weather. So make sure your battery is fully charged and that the terminals are clean and free of corrosion. Don't forget to check the voltage too. A charged battery is the lifeblood of your starter. Tip number two, inspect the starter motor itself. Look for any visible signs of damage like rust, loose mounting bolts. In freezing temperatures, these can lead to serious problems when you need the motor the most. Finally, it's essential to test the solenoid and the starter motor. So if you hear a clicking noise like but the motor doesn't turn, it could actually be a sign that the solenoid is failing. And if it doesn't make any noise at all, your starter motor may need a closer look. Now let's talk about selection. When it comes to replacing your starter motor, it's important to choose the right one for your machine. So what do you look for? First, you have to know your specs. You'll want to check the voltage rating. For most machines, it's either 12 volts or 24, but always double check. Next, consider the amperage. The starter motor needs to provide enough power to crank the engine under load. Be sure to match these specs with your machinery requirements. Also, make sure the starter motor is compatible with your engine's size and compression. If your engine is larger, has a high compression, you might need a motor with more cranking power. Don't forget about the physical fit. So check the mounting holes, the bolt patterns, the length of your motor to ensure that it actually fits your machine. Because even the best performing part won't work if it doesn't fit your machine. So how can you ensure that your starter motor you receive is the perfect physical fit? There are some key specifications to check. First, you have your mounting hole spacing. So to confirm your starter motor's mounting holes align with your engine's mounting bracket, use a caliper to measure the center to center distance between the mounting holes. So number two is the phalange diameter. The phalange is what secures the motor to the engine, so it needs to match the mounting surface precisely. So check both the outer and the inner diameters, especially for recessed phalanges. You want to check right there. Then number three, you want to make sure the overall length of the starter motor matches the original part and doesn't interfere with any surrounding components. So you measure from the phalange surface to the motor's rear end using a tape measure. So number four is the pinion at rest. So measuring the pinion at rest specification ensures the starter motor's pinion gear is correctly positioned to engage with the engine's flywheel without causing damage or operational issues. So this helps confirm compatibility and reliable performance. So use a caliper to measure the distance between the phalange surface and the tip of the gear. Number five, the gear tooth count and the diameter. So proper gear engagement depends on the tooth count and diameter. So count the number of teeth on the new motor's gear, measure its outer diameter with a caliper. Number six is the bolt hole diameter. The bolt holes must fit snugly with the mounting bolts, so you use a caliper to check the inner diameter for a precise fit. And number seven is the electrical connection port position. So check the cable terminal's location and type to ensure that it's compatible with your wiring layout. So measure the distance from the port to the phalange edge or your nearest mounting hole for alignment. So by taking these measurements, you can ensure the selected starter motor matches the original in both mechanical and electrical aspects. minimizing issues during installation. If there's still any uncertainty after measuring, you can provide these specifications to the parts supplier for confirmation. So now let's tackle the big question. Why choose aftermarket instead of OEM? Sometimes OEM parts are the best choice, as they're made specifically for your machine. In some cases, they may be your only choice. But when aftermarket parts are on the table, they offer a quick, cost-effective solution, and here's why they might be your best bet. First, let's talk cost. Aftermarket parts are typically much more affordable than OEM, saving you over 50% on essential maintenance and repairs. Additionally, quality aftermarket parts are often designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring reliable performance. So with a wide range of options available, you can find parts that perfectly suit your needs without spending a fortune. Secondly is availability. Aftermarket parts are usually easier to find, and they might offer quicker shipping times than OEM parts, which can be back-ordered or hard to source, especially during peak seasons. And then third is after-sales support. So at FridayParts, all aftermarket parts, they come with 1-year warranty and a 90-day return policy, giving you peace of mind you're covered if anything goes wrong. Our extensive inventory lets us ship replacements quickly, minimizing your downtime. With over 100,000 parts in stock, we're ready to get your machinery back in action fast. We value your time. Winter can be tough, but with the proper maintenance and the right starter motor, your machine will power through the season. Whether you're fixing it up yourself or swapping out parts, today's starter motor guide will help you find the perfect aftermarket fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more guides and tips on choosing parts. And remember, when it comes to machine repairs, finding the right parts, you've got this. Visit FridayParts.com for all the parts and support you need.